Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL problem from Leetcode website, and the name of this problem is rising temperature. And today is our day 52 of 100 days of SQL challenge, where I will be solving one question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving one question with me to practice SQL. And we are doing SQL 50 series. Okay, so let's start reading this question. So we have a weather table where I have three columns, that is ID, record date and temperature. The data type of ID is integer, the data type of record date is date, and the data type of temperature is integer. Now ID is the column with unique values for this table. This means that ID is the primary key. There are no different rows with the same record date. This table contains information about the temperature on a certain date, right? Certain day. What we need to do is we need to write a solution to find all dates ID with higher temperature compared to its previous day, that is yesterday, and return the result table in any order. So we don't have to do order by. The result format is in the following example. So they have given us the sample input of weather table as well. So here in the weather table you can see that ID, record date and temperature. Now if I see that on 1st of January, right, there is no previous day for this date, right? But for 2nd of January, the previous day is first, and the temperature of the previous day is 10, which is lower than the current date. So I need this 2 in my output. Okay, now if I see for 3, the previous day is 2. Now the temperature of previous day is higher, not lower than the current. So I don't want to include this ID in my final output. Now let's see for the 4th. So 4th of January. Now the temperature is 30, but for 3rd, the day previous to it, the temperature is 20, which is lower than the lower than this current record date, right? So I want 2 and 4 in my output. So they have given us the explanation as well. So 2nd of January, the temperature was higher than the previous day, that's why we have taken. And the 4th of January, the temperature was higher than the previous day. So we want the IDs of the weather table, from this weather table where the temperature of the current day is higher than its previous. I hope you understand. So to find out or to compare the temperature to its previous day, definitely I have to join this table with itself. So I will have to use the self join. But now the condition is that on which condition I will join. So let's start. So what I will say that from this weather table, weather, let me give alias as w1, right? And what I will do inner join. So inner join this weather table again, and let me give alias as w2. Okay, and on which conditions. So we can say that the difference between the two dates, that is the current date and the previous day, the difference will be 1. Okay, so we have to only compare to the previous day. So the difference of the current date to its previous day will be 1. So we can say that on date diff, we will use the date diff function to find out the number of days. Okay, so we can say that I want to find day. First date is my w1 dot record date, right? So record date, and second date, that is end date, is w2 dot record date, right? And this value should be equals to 1. Okay, so I want to join on the dates which have the difference only 1. Okay, and let me now first let's select so what I want to retrieve. So for now let's say I want to see everything. So w1 dot star comma w2 dot star, so that you people understand it easily. Yeah, so this is my output that I have got. Now from this output I can say that we have this id column from w2 table, that is my second weather table, right? Now we can say that the temperature of this table, that is w1 temperature, should be less than the temperature of w2 table. Okay, we can say. So then we will we can find out the IDs where the condition is met. Okay, so we can say that where w1 dot temperature, so temperature should be less than the w2 temperature, right? Temperature. And now let me run. So what rows I will get? I will get this 2 and I will get this 4, and let me run. Okay, so I get the row 2 and 4. So this row that is I am getting is, this is w2 id. So now in the output I only need the w2 id from this table w2. So I will say I only want now w2 dot id. So id, and let me give alias as id in capital letters, or let's say this, because they have aliases like this, right? Now let me run this. Yeah, so it gets accepted, and let me just quickly submit the code as well. Okay, so it gets submitted also. And guys, if you are liking my videos, please subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment as well. And please practice one SQL question each day. And thank you so much for watching the video.